I'm attacking you. You know, here, keep going down.
There.
Just the movement is very important to pass the opponent. And then
Okay.
it's quite effective.
Yes.
Yes. Then do something else. This hurt.
Yes, I see.
No, that's it for now. We'll show
Okay.